I wake up, roll a fat one. I smoke bowls, I smoke blunts, I spark J's, I pack bongs, the baby Cheech and Chong. You think smoking is wrong? Well, I'm good though, cause I smoke dro. I go and get creative when I'm high. Put on my playlist and I vibe to my troubles. I be feeling like the stunt double of my life, cause it's like I'm the one always getting beat up, but my happy self is turned up, so I turn up, turn away.
What's up, lovely people? It's the hippie Chrissy, and in this video I am showing you how I transform myself, yes me, into a e-girl, and I hope I did good. I really enjoyed this look. It was very fun to do. I'm loving the aesthetic of it, so stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell just so that you know every time I post videos. Don't forget also to leave a thumbs up on this video and let me know what you want to see. So stay tuned for this look. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no game.
I don't really give a middle finger.
So of course you already know I'm starting with my brows. So here I am using my brow brush, and it's like an angle brush, and I'm basically just filling in my brows. Y'all already know how I do with the blue brows. That's my thing. That's my signature. That's what I like. Okay. So here y'all see me just filling in my brows, and that's what I'm going to do to the left and the right side. So get into these brows and see this magic. And I'm adding concealer. The concealer I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And now I've transitioned to use another concealer, but this video is older and I had it in my archives, so I just decided to put it out for you guys. So enjoy you.
When I'm high, put on my playlist and I vibe to my troubles. I be feeling like the stunt double of my life, cause it's like I'm the one always getting beat up, but my happy self is turned up, so I turn up, turn the world around, and put my soul in some positive surroundings. I'm drowning in my smoke now, I'm hotboxing my whip out, so I gotta put the window down. And my friend goes, there's a lot of smoke coming out your windows. Cause we just got so super high, we don't know what to do with life. We smoke weed to get rid of strife. We know it don't sound right, but it feel right and it feel good. And if you wanna see my
okay, y'all, so now we're getting into the eyes. Now with the eyes, it's pretty simple. I just used like a brown reddish tone eyeshadow on my lid, and I just swiped that lightly on the lid and did a black liner. Then just real simple, I put a purple for a pop of color underneath my waterline, and yeah, that pretty much was it. And yeah, so that's basically the eyes. The eyes was pretty simple because with the e-girl looks that I've came across on Pinterest, they were pretty simple, so this is what I came up with. Now, for some reason, this was my favorite part. I took a black liner, liquid liner, and I basically just drew a little heart. This heart probably don't look like a heart, but I did the best that I could. And yeah, I really like this part because it was real interesting to create some type of look, and the e-girl look was just so cute. It's so cute with the blush, and I just really enjoyed it. So yeah, and then I took a color from my Zulu palette, and I basically just kind of tapped it on the heart to where it kind of gave me like a pinkish type of shadow on top of it, if that makes sense. But yeah, I really love this look, and I hope y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, all of that good stuff. And if you want to be a part of the hippie gang, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join the family. We positive vibes over here always. That's how we do. It's free 99. Go ahead. Yeah.
make you feel like you could do anything, many things. They ring my line.
Okay, so now for the lips, what I did is I just put a actual lip gloss, and it had like a pink undertone, and then to enhance the pink a little bit more, which is what they showed on Pinterest, I took some eyeshadow and just pat it on the middle with my brush. and that's it. And bam, I got pink lips. And then for my blush, I used a LA Girls blush, and I just put that all over my nose and my cheeks. I went really, really pink for this look. So yeah, I enjoyed it. It was so cute. Can y'all stop playing with me? Stop playing with me. Like, look at this. Look at it. Locks, face, eyebrows, e-girl look, all of that. Anyway, y'all don't forget to stay positive. Keep positive vibrations always. And yeah, until the next video, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hippie shit.